an all-now entertainment production.
Hello, fellow employee. We welcome you with open arms to be a part of the Billy Wiggly family. Now, before we get into the tour of our factory, let's first go over the history of the Billy Wiggly brand. It all started back in 1988, when the two brothers, Franklin and George Wonders, had the idea of a fast food restaurant featuring animatronics, as well as both of them being the creators of our favorite blue robots. The idea soon got picked up by All-Know Entertainment, but they started to make this idea come true. By May of 1991, the first Billy Wiggly's location opened. It was a huge success, having many locations across the US, with a cartoon show, merchandise, and much more. Now, one of the most iconic part of Billy Wiggly's is our animatronics themselves. But they don't just pop out of thin air, so you'll have to be one of the few people to make our characters come to life. Now, these factories can be big, and you can get lost very easily, so our job is to get you familiar with each area of this factory. There are 6 main sections we'll be looking over. Let's start off in the lobby. This is the main place that you'll enter and leave. You'll have to be checking in to make sure you're never absent during your working hours. This is the staff hall. This will lead to different rooms such as the bathrooms, the staff lounge, and the meeting room. This is the manufacturing area. This is where you assemble the animatronics. This place can also be used to repair animatronics if one of the restaurants sends them back. We will discuss this later if there's an animatronic that is unrepaired. This is the storage area. This place is to store the animatronics once they are fully assembled. They will be kept in here until the loading trucks come. Speaking of loading, this is the loading dock. This is where we load our animatronics into the trucks, and they get delivered to each different restaurant across America. This is the scrapping area. As we discussed earlier in the tape, if an animatronic that was sent back is in too much disrepair, you must put it into the scrapping machine, where it will be grinded, taken apart. It will have its parts used for new animatronics.